Hello everybody and welcome back. What I have up here is basically the completing the square program, and it's pretty simple that you do the square, and anytime you want to change how far it moves forward you can change it here, and anytime how far it turns right you can change here. Well, suppose you had something like this. And the idea is you have some sort of a maze or something that you're going through, and every distance is about the same, and you have to do all 90-degree turns. Now, if you have to adjust that, you see how you're going to have to adjust it for several places for both the move forward and the turn. You might not want to do that. So what you can do is you go over here, you make a variable, and I say something like time to turn. Time to turn. Okay, and we'll set that to 0.5. Now what happens here, the neat thing is everywhere I want to turn I just put that there. And then every time I want to turn to 90 degrees, I do that. It turns out 0.5 doesn't do it quite 90 degrees. I can adjust it here, and then it goes and it follows along on all the rest of these. Now, if I want to do the same for time to move, I just say time to move. Okay, and I'm going to say set time to move. And we'll say set it to 1. By the way, you notice that I set my variables at the beginning of the program. That's what you try to do generally. Okay, and every time I want time to move forward for time to move forward for time to move. Okay, and what happens then is that anytime I want to change this, because the batteries are run down, I just change it here and it automatically does it all the way here. This is the basic idea for your exercise, which will be to make it move in a figure 8. And you can see in a figure 8 you're going to be turning sometimes one way, sometimes the other. You need to turn 90 degrees each time. You need to move it about a foot each time. So this will get you started. Well, hope this helps, and I'll talk to y'all later.